I don't know. Bunso kasi ako sa pamilya eh. Real life ba?
Akala ko sa story.
Real life ba? Nurturing in a way na para kasi kaming sobra kaming clingy sa isa't isa. So more than the nurturing, it's just being present for the other person. Na it was so easy for us to gel. It was so easy for us to bond. Open yung lahat. So more than the nurturing, it's yung bonding na nabuo. Walang matanda, walang bata, lahat kami, we're all the kids of Inay. Na talaga namang the way she took care of us. Spoiled kami sa set. Pag may pawis, nandyan siya. Spray ng pampawala ng paus, may lampin agad. So talagang napaka-motherly niya. So, yeah, pag may si JK, magkakasakit, nandiyan na yung ginger ni Inay, bigla may darating ng turmeric ginger dyan, si Belinda, ganun din. So, we really made sure na yung bonding namin, totoo. Totoo talaga siya. So, more than being the kuya, I enjoyed being the son of Inay.
You wanna react to that?